Hi everyone, so welcome back to another tutorial from the eye makeup series, and today you will learn the purple smoky eye. And for this I am taking the purple color from the palette Pretty All Set UCANBE and applying it with the help of flat applicator to the outer edges of the eye in the direction of V, building the color. As you can see, applying it to the over eyelid, taking the pink color and big blending brush, blending this color, blurring out the lines. Rotate your brush in circular movement, inward direction, creating a natural effect. Blending the color with the help of big blending brush. Now here is a look after lashes. Moving on, next apply the gel kajal pencil in the color white from the brand Charm Work Beauty. Now smudging the eye with the same color. This is how I am smudging the under eye. If you have any query, please comment in the comment box. I will respond it. Adding some highlighter to the inner corner of the eye. You can see the effect. Highlighting the brow bone. Applying the mascara from the brand Maybelline to the lower lashes of the eye and completing the look in front of you. So if you have any query, ask me freely. Till then, practice, practice, and take care of yourself. Thank you so much for watching me. If you love our work, then support us, share it with everyone.